We got a little comfy chair right there. And let me go see what we have inside the arcade. And whoa. So we have a few games here. Got Legends Ultimate, Star Wars, Centipede, Tron, Asteroid, Aladdin, Lion King, Millipede. Oh, got some decent also games. Tetris. And then we got tabletop. Oh, let's see. What games does it have? Got some. Oh my God. We got a Switch. We got a Nintendo Switch here. They got two of them. There's some Switch games too as well. What games do they have? Smash Bros. Ultimate, Mario Rabbids Kingdom Battle, Splatoon 2, Luigi's Mansion 3, Carnival Games, another copy of Luigi's Mansion 3, Mario 3D World, Bowser's Fury, Mario Odyssey, Instant Sports, and Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. Not bad at all. Then we got air hockey and table tennis. So that's a lot of fun. I'm going to go play some games right now. So, peace. Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And, okay, so I'm going to run a speed test on Visible and T-Mobile from work. So I got some time to kill until I head home. So I figured I would do this real quick. So first, we're going to take a look at Visible, see how the speed tests are, where it's connected to and such. All right, so I use this to pretty much see like where the towers are. That's the tower we're connected to. It's not that far away. I would say it's probably about a block up. So not bad. I'll run the first speed test on open signal. So we'll do that. Kind of test it out. Latency is at 37 milliseconds. We're getting download speeds of 105 baseline, just about. It's the base for it. And the uplink is at 12, 13-ish. Hitting 14. Not so bad. All right, we're outside. As you can see, we're outside the building itself. So, okay. Let's do an Ookla speed test. And just kind of speed test this from here. So, Ookla showing a little bit better. Like 120, 130. It's kind of going there. All right, so go about like 134 on the down. And about 10 on the uplink. Yep. We got 51 ping and 28 on the jitter. All right, let's switch it off. Let's go to T-Mobile. Visible's on the Pixel 7, so let's go to T-Mobile on the Pixel 6. All right, so we switched off Pixel 6 here with T-Mobile 5G Ultra Capacity. So let's go ahead and see what tower it's connected to on the nearby. And, I mean, there we go. There's a map. So a little bit more of a closer distance. The Verizon tower was right up here. So, not too far away, but okay. Let's do the speed test first on open signal. So let's kind of clear out a lot of things here. And it's kind of we'll wait for the backup to finish. All right, so let's get this party started. We're doing speed tests with Open Signal app first. So we got latency of 87 milliseconds. And it's taking a little bit of time to connect to the network. Will it start? There it goes. Doing about the same as Visible was doing, about 100. 100 on the downlink. And about 12, 13, 14 on the uplink. So that was outdoor. Switch it off to Ookla. Do a speed test there. A little struggle right there to get started. There we go. Jitter was 19 milliseconds. We got about one. It's teetering back and forth between 112 and 100. Ping was 36 milliseconds. The uplink. Ooh. Well, that's just crazy. 10. And it should be done here soon. Yep. There we go. 129 by 11.6 with a 36 millisecond ping, 19 on the jitter. All right. Quick speed test for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace.